Now with those valves fully open and in sport mode, it is downright spicy. And if that's what you're looking for, Valvetronic is definitely it. So when I lay all this out, we're gonna go through it a piece at a time and I'll show you what it looks like. We're gonna hang this first. We're gonna hang it nicely on that post on this side. Then we'll bring this next section up, slide it onto the upper section, and that will hang. It doesn't quite reach the mid-body brace. The mid-body brace is about here. So the mid-body brace is going to sit, I'm gonna put that in, and these pipes will hang over the top of that for now. We'll get those connected, and as I put all of these on, I'm just gonna lightly tighten all of these clamps just to hold everything loosely. Fitment is gonna be something that we're gonna straighten out when we're all done. And then we'll hang the back box. Once the back box is up, really nice and easy with the hangers here on both sides, then we can hang these middle pipes. I know that sounds probably complicated and a lot of information, but we're just gonna piece it up, and I wanted to make sure you saw it all together in one solid piece as we put the separate pieces up. So start at the top, I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so here we are back underneath the car, and because of the number of pieces that this all comes in, we're just gonna put it up a piece at a time, and I'm gonna walk you through every piece. So this top piece you can find, it goes from the 3-inch to 4-inch. You can see it has an expander, and then there's this sleeve with the bracket on it here that just slides up and down. So I just slid it up the pipe, I slid it onto the down pipe, and all of these clamps right now they're not even tight, right? Because I just want to get all these pieces in place. This nut still in place helps me just hold this bracket right here so it can sit. The next piece you're gonna put up is the 4-inch pipe that goes to the Y branch. I'll show you what that looks like, but you're just gonna sleeve it onto this pipe and work our way down, and we're just gonna add piece after piece after piece down the line. Get the middle piece in where it goes from the 4-inch pipe to the Y 2-inch pipes. I've moved ahead a little bit just because some of this is easier to hang all in place, and because some of the pieces won't hang by themselves. You then slip on the Y section here, which actually ends short of your V-brace, right? But what you can do is you can slide on the next pipes. They're just resting on the V-brace, which I've put back into place to help hold it on. So I slipped on one side, I slipped on the other, and then put the V-brace in place, and now all the upper pipes will hold themselves in place. You know, we don't have any clearances yet or anything like that set, but once we get everything hung, we'll work out all of the clearances to make sure that nothing touches. Now, the next thing I would recommend is actually go ahead and hang the back box. So once you hang that back box in place, you can take the next pipes and sleeve them onto the back box, and you'll have those bell housings up here as you slot the pipes over the top of these braces. Okay, so get the back box hung with those 13mm nuts here on both sides. All right, y'all, so everything's back together.